Hello, welcome to the part 2 of the Nathalie Bray pattern. Here we are drafting the front pattern, and please, if you've not subscribed, liked or shared, please do so. Thank you. So now we are checking for our back neck width measurement. So for size 6, the back neck width measurement is 6.5, and we are going to measure that starting from the tip of the paper here and using the center front line. We are marking our 6.5 here, and then another 6.5 point here, and then on this line we'll measure another 6.5. So basically we are making a square of 6.5. Okay, so basically we have 6.5 here. From here to here we have 6.5, and then from here to here we also have 6.5. So the next thing is to measure our 4 cm constant. So whatever constant I mentioned, like right from the first pattern, it is used irrespective of the size you are drafting. So the 2 cm constant, 3 cm constants, this 4 cm constant we are using, if you are doing it like a size 0, is the same. That's why it's constant. If you are doing like a size 36 or whatever size you are doing, it is a constant. So here we are using 4 cm. So now we are marking 4 cm constant from the tip of the paper here, and then we'll mark another 4 cm constant here, and on that 4 cm constant we are doing 16.5 cm constant. Don't forget, irrespective of the size you are working with, it is the same. And this is the 16, sorry. This is the 16.5 cm. And then now we are going to draw our shoulder slants. To get your shoulder slants, it is gotten by adding that and shoulder together. So we have to check for our shoulder measurements. Our shoulder measurement for size 6 is 12, and our dart measurement for size 6 is 6.5. So 12 plus 6.5, that's 18.5. Okay, 12 plus 6.5, that's 18.5. So we are going to measure that starting from here, and it must touch this line all the way. It's 10.5. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is to check for our chest measurements and divide it by 2, because we're working with half of the front. And then our chest measurement here is 36. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So we're going to start from our center front line, and 18, this is 18 on the ruler, and then we are going to add 2 cm constant to the 18, and this is it. So this is 18, this is chest divided by 2, 18, and then this is 2 cm constant that we added to the 18. And then from that 2 cm constant, we'll go up by 4 cm constant from the 2 cm constant, and then we'll also come to the center front line and go up by 4 cm, and then we'll connect both together, and then we'll also connect this to this. And the next thing we are going to do is to calculate our bust measurements. And then here, from here, our bust is 84. So don't forget that we're going to divide our 84, our bust by 2, which is 84 divided by 2, that's 42. There's a formula for calculating bust measurement. So the formula for calculating bust measurement is bust divided by 2 minus back divided by 2 plus back up plus 5. So I'm going to explain this to you. Bust divided by 2. Our bust measurement is 84 for size 6. So we are going to write that down. 84 divided by 2. So let's do this first. 84 divided by 2 is 42. 42. So 42 minus back divided by 2 plus back up plus 5. So that's 42 minus our back is, we use 35. We use 35 for our back. So that's 35 divided by 2 plus, and our back up was 5 cm plus 5. So that's 35 divided by 2, that's 17.5. 17.5 plus 5. So now we have 42 minus what is in this bracket, which is 17.5 plus 5, 22.5 plus 5. So now it's now going to be 42 minus 22.5. 42 minus 22.5. That's 19.5 plus 5. So 19.5 plus 5. 24.5. So our bust measurement for this pattern is 24.5, and I purposely took it step by step because I know most people get confused at this point. So this 24.5 now is going to be measured on the chest line. $24.5. This is it. So let me tell you the implication of what we did initially. You know, the first measurement we calculated before we started the pattern was hip divided by 2 plus 5, and we got 15. So if you don't do that calculation properly, it means your bust measurement is going to go into your back pattern, and that means you have to start your pattern all over again because you won't be able to use it. So that is like the importance of that calculation. So now, as we said, this is our 24.5. 24.5. And then we would also do like a 45-degree line here, but instead of 3 cm, we are doing 1.5. So we'll make sure that this line here is at 90, and then we'll try to check where 45 is, which is here, and then we'll use our ruler to draw that. Next thing is to divide what we have from here to here. So we'll measure what we have from this point to this point, which is 13. So 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. So we'll just make a 1 cm line there. And then with this, we can draw our armhole for the front pattern. So you have to make sure that your ruler is touching like all the points, coming to this point, touching this point, and touching this point. If you are doing a bigger pattern, you might have to do it step by step. You might have to do this to this first, this to this next, and all. So, but because this is a small pattern, it is easy to do everything at once. And then we can now draw from the bust line to this point here. And that is all with the front pattern. So the next video is going to be talking about how to do your darts from the shoulder dart to the waist dart. So see you in part 3 of this video.